In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Microsoft SQL Server 2019 Express Edition software on Windows 11 operating system. As a prerequisite, please make sure you have an internet connection with good bandwidth for downloading couple of software files. Okay then, let me show you how to download Microsoft SQL Server 2019 Express Edition software directly from the official web, that is Microsoft.com. Open any web browser and type in the URL Microsoft.com. Hit enter. This is the Microsoft official website. Go to the search bar. Give the search keyword as SQL Server 2019. Hit enter. You can see the search results. The second one, Microsoft SQL Server 2019 Express. Just click on this. It will direct to the download center web page. Just scroll down. Here you can see Microsoft SQL Server 2019 Express Edition. You need to select the language. Let it be the default one, English. Just click on this download. It will start downloading web installer file. See, this is the web installer file. Just click on this show in folder. It will direct to the downloads folder. This is my downloads folder and this is the SQL Server 2019 Express Edition software web installer file. Now we are going to install SQL Server 2019 Express Edition software on Windows 11 operating system through this web installer file. Right click on this web installer file and select Run as Administrator. You will get a pop-up for user control access. Just click on Yes. On the screen you can see SQL Server Express Edition installation wizard. Here we need to select the installation type. You can see three types of installation: basic, custom and download media. Let's talk about this download media. The download media option allows us to download the setup files for offline installations. When we talk about this custom, the custom installation is like advanced installation with options so that we can configure the features and other options of the SQL Server. And when we talk about this basic, the basic installation is the quickest and easiest installation to install the SQL Server database with the default configuration. Right now I am going to select the basic installation type. Just click on this basic installation type. In the next step, you need to accept the license agreement. Just click on accept. Here we need to specify SQL Server installation location. This is the default C drive location. If you want to change the location, just click on this browse and here you can select the drives. I am going with the default one and here you can see the prerequisite requirements, minimum free space and download size. Just click on this install. It is started downloading install package. You can see the download is in progress. File size is 255 MB. It all depends upon your internet bandwidth connection. You can see the download got completed. Now you can see on the screen it started installing. Installation is in progress. It may take 5 to 10 minutes of your time. You can see the final step of installation wizard. Installation has completed successfully. And this is the connection string location and this is the SQL Server install log folder and this is the media folder and this is the installation resources folder. Finally, we have downloaded and installed SQL Server 2019 Express Edition software on Windows 11 operating system. Now let's check whether our software got installed successfully or not. Just click on this connect now. In the back end, you can see SQL command terminal has opened and you can see Microsoft SQL Server 2019 Express Edition 64-bit and one row got affected. This indicates that we have successfully installed SQL Server 2019 Express Edition software on Windows operating system. Just close this. Now let's move on to the next step, that is download and install SQL Server Management Studio. SSMS is nothing but an integrated environment for administration activities. Just select this install SSMS. It will direct to the download SQL Server Management Studio web page. Just scroll down. Here you can see download SQL Server Management Studio. The latest version is 19.0.1. Just click on this to start download. Below here you can see file is getting downloaded. Just click on show all. You can see the download progress. The file size is 621 MB. Now you can see file got downloaded. Just click on show in folder. It will direct to the downloads folder. This is my downloads folder and this is the SQL Server Management Studio software. Now let's start installing Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Select and right click on the software and select Run as Administrator. You may be prompted for the user control access. Just click on Yes. On the screen you can see Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio setup wizard. The latest version is 19.0.1. This is the default location. I don't want to change the default location. If you want to change, just click on this change tab. You can change the installation location. Just click on install. You can see it is loading packages. You can see the installation progress. This installation process may take 5 minutes of your time. On the screen, you can see Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio setup got completed. It is asking for restart required in order to complete the setup. So just click on restart. Now I restarted my machine. Let's open the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio software. Just click on the start button. Open all apps. Just scroll down to Microsoft SQL Server. This is the Microsoft SQL Server 2019 and here you can see Microsoft SQL Server Tools 19. Just drop down. Here you can see SQL Server Management Studio. Just click on this. On the screen you can see Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio is opening. Now we need to connect to the server. You can see the server type database engine, and this is my default server name, and the authentication is Windows authentication. Since we opted for the basic installation, it is going with the Windows authentication. Just click on connect. We have successfully connected to the SQL server, and this is the Object Explorer. Here you can find the default databases. Just click on this new query. This is the query editor. This is the execute button, and this is the parser. From the query editor, I am going to execute this small SQL statement in order to show the list of default databases. Just execute this. Here you can find the list of databases: master, tempdb, model, msdb. That's it guys. We have successfully installed Microsoft SQL Server Express Edition software on Windows operating system. That's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press bell icon. Please like and also share my videos to your friends, and also please provide your valuable comments on this video. Your comments are highly valuable. Thank you guys.